Vance Industries offers innovative and affordable solutions for your kitchen and bath. Today we will show you how to install and use the Universal Sink Undermounter, a patented rail system developed by Vance that lets you install any sink under any surface. The Sink Undermount rail system has a variety of features that make it both reliable and unique. To begin, find the center of the cabinet. Mark the outer dimensions of the sink from the center. Repeat this for the back of the cabinet. Place the steel baskets so the rails will support the sink flange. Install the steel baskets using the screws supplied. Slide the bolts into position on the rails. Then, add the plastic bolt caps. Slide the rails into the baskets. No hard connection needs to be made. In addition, the rails can be removed easily, giving the installer greater flexibility. Place the sink onto the steel rails. Use a level across the top of the cabinet. Raise the sink up to 1/8 of an inch from the bottom of the level. Caulk the top of the sink rim. Lower the countertop in place. Finally, use the leveling bolts to raise the sink until there is contact with the countertop. Congratulations! You have now permanently mounted your sink in record time.